and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe I'm going to make gram flour noodles and chips, or you can say besan, sev and papdi. This is used to for snacks with a tea, or you can also use to top it off your soup or any of the gravy dishes. So let's check this crispy snacks, how to make this. It's very easy and very fun to make. So let's begin. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you enjoy, and if you like to watch all my recipes in Hindi, please subscribe Sanam Kitchen Hindi. So let's begin with 2 cups of gram flour or besan, also known as chickpea flour. Add 1 teaspoon carom seeds, half teaspoon papad khar, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper and salt, 1/4 cup of oil. Mix this really well, and I'm going to use about half cup of water, and add gradually to the flour and start kneading the dough. I have used less than a half cup of water. Now this flour is very sticky, so you can use oil to your palms and then try to knead the dough. Really well kneaded. Now I'm just going to apply some oil and let it rest for a few minutes. Now meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the cookie press that is specially designed for this type of making this type of snacks. So I'm just going to put the stencil which I want like a noodle. So I'm going to use this with a lot of holes in it, and the one with a slit in it. So take the dough, shape it into so that it could go into the cookie press cylinder. I have already greased the cylinder with oil inside. A little more could go in there. Now I'm going to apply the plate and then close it off. So when you press it, you can see it's coming out. Meanwhile, my oil is also heating up. So oil should be medium to high, not too hot, otherwise it will burn by the time you finish pressing the papdi or the chips. And now fry until they are nice and golden and slightly changes the color, and we wanted to flip the sides so that it doesn't get burned on one side. So as you can see, it's slightly changing the color. So now I'm going to take it out and drain it onto a kitchen paper towel. So it's nice and well done. And now I'm going to make the noodles or the sev. So I'm just going to press right into the oil, and I'm just going to circle around and make it like a one bowl of noodle, I guess. And just flip it around, and then same way it changes color, take it out. If you're still watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So here our gram flour noodle is ready. Now you can use it as a snack just like this, or you can top it up on soups or salads. It would be a great appetizer and a great snack. And it's crispy and crunchy from inside and out. You can see how crispy it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye bye.